how to link Payoneer to PayPal. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this Payoneer's video, I'll be showing you how you can link Payoneer to PayPal. Alright, so how do you do this? The first thing to do is to log into your Payoneer's account. Alright, and then once you're logged in, the next thing for you to do, okay, before I go further, I must inform you that there are two ways whereby you can link your Payoneer to your PayPal account. The first way is during the registration stage. Okay, if when you're to register or create a Payoneer's account, you're always required or asked to add a bank account. All right, so that's the first way. Whenever you're asked to add a bank account, you can just go ahead and add your PayPal account. And once you've added it, it will be verified and it will be connected and linked automatically to your Payoneer's account. Okay, that's the first way. And then if you have a Payoneer's account already, for you to be able to do this, you can decide to create another account using that email with your Payoneer and then add PayPal to the account that way. But then if you don't want to go through that process, the second way is by adding PayPal as a bank account to your Payoneer's account. And then to do this, move over to the left side of the screen on your home page and then click on bank account. Bank account is located below account activity and above business network. So once you click on it, you'll be brought to the bank account page. Then by the right side, you see add bank account. Just click on it, and then once you click on it, you'll be directed on that page where you'll be asked to enter the bank details. So select if it's a personal or business account, then select the country, select the currency, and once you're done selecting all of this, click on next, and then once you click on next, you'll be asked to enter your account details. So you just select PayPal, then the name, the number. Once you're done, scroll down and then agree to terms and conditions. Just add, click once they're done, fill in all of the fields and then add the bank account. And that's just it. Your PayPal will be linked to your Payoneer. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.